Hello, folks. Welcome to the weekend market analysis. I hope all of you had a great trading week. The markets were mostly range bound. The expiry was also good for sellers. So I hope you had made some good profits, right? Let's get started with the analysis bit. So let me start off with the Nifty. So this is Nifty daily chart. Clearly, we are in a downtrend, right? And on the 15-minute or let's see 30-minute chart, we are in a very tight range. So the upper end is around 17,900 and the lower end is around 17,700 approximately, right? So let's see where this range gets broken, and accordingly, I'll be looking to take a trade. If it gets broken on the upside, I'll be looking to short puts. Otherwise, I'll short calls if it breaks and stays below 17,700, right? Similarly, Bank Nifty, this actually Nifty is not something that I trade often, but yeah, that's my analysis on Nifty. For Bank Nifty, again, a similar looking chart. We are in a downtrend on the daily, and if you look at the 15-minute, there's a very tight range. The upper end is 41,700, and the lower end is around 41,200. So I was thinking like this Friday if I should initiate like a strangle in this range, but then I did not do that because the premiums were not that attractive. So what I've decided to do is to wait it out until this range is broken. Once this is broken, I'll be looking to take a directional trade here, right? So this is what is the situation in Bank Nifty. Nothing more to talk about here, I would say, right? We're still within uh, the range that was made on the budget day. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. This is rare, guys. 7 candles within the budget day candle, right? So let's see where it breaks out, and hopefully we'll get a good, nice move. Biocon has been on our radar for quite a while, and this finally it gave us a good opportunity to enter. It came down to below 230. So for those who've been following us, they would know that this is a good support area, support zone from where we were looking to initiate a long trade. So this is what we did. We got a higher high formation on the 30-minute chart, and along with that is another formation which I personally like a lot, which is the VCP pattern, which is volatility contraction. So if you look at this, sort of like this area is acting as the R line, the resistance line, and we're constantly making. This is a higher low. This is again a higher low. This was the lowest point, and we again made a higher low here. So the movement looks fine, and this kind of a formation when this happens near a support zone, right? That to a weekly support zone, near a weekly support zone. This is a very good opportunity to kind of initiate a trade. So that is what I did. So the positions that I've taken, there are two different ways I've positioned myself. First is by a debit spread between 250 call and 260 call. So you look at these two, right? Long in this and short in this. So the quantities are not matching because I was not able to get the full quantity. But let's assume this is a debit spread. So this is how, sorry, yeah, so this is how it is looking like. So we've gotten 250 call, this much quantity at 3.84, and 260 call, this much quantity at 1.76. So let's assume both of them are 67 lots. One lot is 2300 quantity, right? And which means the payoff for this will look something like this, right? Right now price is trading around 242. We will start to make money if this goes above 252 levels, right? And if this does not work out for us, the next step would be to kind of double down or maybe short some more 260 call. So if let's say this formation goes through, we get a nice breakout, then I don't think it'll stop easily. So it'll, I mean, go up to at least 253 or so, and that will be the first resistance area between 250 to 253. Once that is broken, then we can see up to 260 very, very easily. So let's see how this works out. And in case this breakout does not come, so how I'm going to manage this debit spread is that I'm going to short some more 260 call, right? Or maybe trim down some of the 250 call, depending on what the premiums are at that point in time, right? So yeah, so that's the payoff is here, right? Anything above 252 is going to give me a decent amount of profit, and the max profit will happen somewhere around 260 levels, which is the short side of it, right? So this is one trade that I've taken. The other trade is slightly different, which is I've gone long in futures and I have bought a in the money put, right? So 250 put is in the money right now. So what this does is this restricts my loss. So this will enable me to see if I go long on a naked future, right? Then the risk is unlimited. If you get a gap down of let's say 2%, 3%, or it keeps going on, my risk becomes unlimited. So I do not want to be in that situation. So what I did was I bought some in the money put, and what this does is it'll take away some of my profit on the upside, but it will give me a security to hold these futures for a longer period of time without having to put a stop loss. So the max loss that can happen. So this is a strategy, right? Long futures and long put. So this is what the payoff looks like, and the max loss is defined, right? So maximum that I can lose is 66,000 in this trade. So I've taken 9 lots here, and the profit is unlimited. So it can go up to, if you go up to 260, my profit will be somewhere around 2 lakhs. If it goes even higher, it'll linearly grow, right? So this is the other position that I've taken. Let's see how these two positions work out. And yeah, that's it. I mean, nothing else on the radar. Hopefully, we'll get a breakout in the coming week on the indices. So I'll be looking to trade that. Also, for people who want to follow up on these trades on the index, on Biocon, or any other trading opportunities, we have a Telegram community. It's a paid community. You can join that. So there we keep on discussing trading ideas during the market hours. And I also tend to put in some of the trades that I take. So if you're interested, do check that out. The link is in the description. Also, if you like the video, please comment, share it with your friends. If there's anything that you want me to cover more in these weekend analysis, please do let me know. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend ahead.